Hi there, folks. I'm your digital marketing cowboy. So yesterday was a hard day for me. I was out there on the digital landscape with my pickaxe, hitting away at that hard ground, kicking away these rocks. And at the end of the day, my head was heavy, blisters on my hands. So what I did was I stumbled on over to the saloon. And I remember some time ago, I made that video where I was drunken out of my head. And I was there sitting behind that mean old friend, that brain cell killer. And I was looking in that glass. And then I saw this reflection. My reflection. And I thought, is this the man that I want to be? And what happened then was really amazing. I took up that glass of mean poison and I threw that up against the wall. I took off my boots and I threw them away in a corner. I took off my jacket. And then I walked outside. I left my horse at my saddle and I just went walking. And under my feet, I could feel that warm sand. And slowly leaving the town behind me, I walked up the mountain with my bare feet. The sun was going down, it was getting dark. And I kept on walking, like a crazy man. And I walked faster and faster. It was like I was leaving everything behind me. And then, halfway up the hill, it happened. I was walking so fast that my toe kicked up against a hard rock. And I started scolding, damn! Then I looked down at my toe and it was red and bloody. So then I reached down to the ground to pick up this rock and ready to throw it away. And then I could see it. With the last light of the sun, I could see the veins of gold in this rock. Veins of gold. So sometimes when you're not trying that hard, and you let old habits go, and you just keep moving, walking, running, life can bring you wonderful things. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.